Uline's emergency shower eyewash station washes contaminants away from eyes and the body with its combination emergency shower and eyewash in one unit. The shower head delivers 20 gallons of water per minute, while the eyewash delivers 3 gallons per minute, meeting ANSI Z358.1 standards for operation. Per ANSI Z358.1 requirements, the unit must be placed within an easily accessible location and installed within 10 seconds, approximately 55 feet, from a possible hazardous area with an unobstructed path. Water temperature should be between 60 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Refer to the ANSI Z358.1 requirements for more details on installation requirements. For assembly, simply connect the eyewash basin connection pipe to the base support unit. Then, attach the basin to the basin connection pipes. And connect the basin hose to the eyewash basin. Next, join the shower connection pipe to the top pipe section, and then join the top pipe section to the middle pipe section. Then, screw the shower head onto the shower connection pipe and attach the stainless steel pull rod to the shower connection pipe. Then connect the shower eyewash station water inlet to the outlet. The unit should be securely fastened to the floor using the 4 mounting slots in the base plate, and floor mounting hardware is sold separately. Plumbing is required for the water supply. Uline's emergency shower eyewash station is built with corrosion-resistant brass valves, ABS plastic shower head and bowl, galvanized steel piping, and a yellow finish for easy visibility. The emergency shower eyewash station is easy to use. To operate the shower, pull the stainless steel pull rod and allow the water to rinse affected area for a minimum of 15 minutes and seek medical attention immediately after use. To operate the eyewash station, push the handle and lean forward. Holding the eyelids open with thumbs and forefingers, lean into the water and rotate the eyes back and forth to ensure a complete rinse. Allow the water to bathe both eyes for a minimum of 15 minutes and seek medical attention immediately after use. Both the shower and eyewash station should be tested weekly. An emergency sign and inspection tags are included. Uline's emergency shower eyewash stations are in stock and ready for immediate delivery from any of our strategic locations in North America. Whatever your safety needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the answer.